Hey, good morning. I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day. So my day has already started. It's now 10 o'clock and I have guests coming at 12 and I'm preparing lunch dinner, and it will be oxtail, jerk chicken, steamed veggies, plantain, rice and peas, and that's it. I was going to bake, but I decided not to, and the husband picked up a fruit cake that I will show you, which is Mexican style. We put rum, they put rum pope. I'm going to show you how that is. We have this marinated for 24 hours. I'm gonna put this in the oven, and I'm also gonna put the veggie. This is a veggie, steamed veggie. You can do it on the stovetop, but I'm just stacking all the things together. And I'm gonna put this in the oven. So this rack is a bit too high. So I'm gonna put it down, and then we go in with our veggie. And I have it on low heat, and then I'm gonna bring it up. So we have crispy. So this is what we have here, steamed veggie, and oven jerk chicken is about to take action. Here we're gonna go in with the rice. I'm gonna make this is gonna be rice and peas. Oh, what a man. Let it stay for 20 minutes. 20 minutes. This is the table. Peas is finished. The veggie is finished. Let's see what we got here. This is finished. This is finished. Now I need to do the plantain, but we have the chicken going. The oil now, and here we go. Provecho.
Yes. Yeah. It was a pleasure, and we really enjoyed it. Long time in have a good Sunday.
Had dinner with a friend. We've been communicating for over a year, and the husband said he noticed that whenever we speak in our dialect, we both communicate like we mirror each other, and he has never seen me talk to anyone here in Mexico like that. And I was like, oh my goodness. And then my husband, he's Mexican, my friend, his partner, is Mexican, and they were both staring at us like, what are you guys talking about? And that was quite interesting to see. It was a wonderful evening, afternoon into evening, because we started at 12 and it's now after 4. We can talk for hours, I guess. Sorry, catching up on home, food. It was nice to have a relaxing afternoon. And for me, as always, you know, I like to walk after I eat. So I'm gonna take this big boy out and go for a walk. Officially going to take Henry out for a walk. I wanted to take him out earlier, but I felt a bit tired. So I tried to get my late afternoon siesta, but he is now barking, so I'm gonna take him out for a walk. Boy is a little sad with me today. Clearly, this boy walking me and not me walking him. It has been a wonderful day, and I hope you too had a wonderful day of fun, joy, laughter, and reflection. I'm gonna end this video by saying, you know, stay positive, think on possibilities, mind over matter, and see you in the next video.